Hello, good day. You are welcome to Importers Dex. This is a video demo on how to create a free account as an agent on Importers Dex in order to start working smartly using your smart desk space. So here, this very first input here is the agent name, and what you enter there is the name of your business. For instance, I'm going to register Golden Wings Limited. Now you specify your service charge, whatever service charge it is, 3%, 4%, 5%, you enter it in the account name, which means the name of the person that is creating this account. So here now I'm going to enter an account of Godwin Samson. The email of this very one is goldenwings@gmail.com. The password, I enter a password. And I'm registered. You can see that as soon as you are registered, you realize that you have a $1 bonus, and this $1 will be enough for you to process 10 orders, because we charge just 10 cents per order you process. So now the very first thing to do when you create a new account is to set up your dashboard by going to settings. So when you come to setting, you can see this is your agent detail here. You can update your logo here by clicking edit and do any updates you want. Then you add the services you offer. So you can add purchase and shipping if it is what you do. If it is only shipping, you can add shipping only. If you also do purchase only, you can go ahead and add it, and at any point you can remove any service. Next up is you have to add the account detail. Now this particular account detail are bank account detail that your customers are going to use to deposit money into your bank account, whereby you can now fund their wallet. Okay, so now first thing to do is to choose the country which the bank is in. So in this case we are going to use Nigeria. And then you enter the bank name. Let's say the bank name is JTB. Then the account name should of course probably be your registration name, Golden Wings Limited. The account number, you enter it and you save. If you have any other account number, you of course enter it again. So I'm just going to enter another account number. The account name is still Golden Wings, and then the account number, and you save. At any point you don't use any of the accounts, you can also remove them. The next thing you have to also do here is to add the countries you buy or ship from. So you come here, let's say you buy and ship from China, you enter China. You enter China. If you also operate in any other country, let's say you operate in the UK, you choose UK. You choose as many countries as possible that you buy or ship from. So after adding that, you can see that at any point you want to remove any of these, you also feel free to click on delete and it will be gone from your list. Now the next thing you also have to add is shipping route. Very important. So the shipping route, right now you want to add a route, say from China to Nigeria. from China to Nigeria, you choose the from and then to. When you choose that, you add, and then that has been added without shipping from China to Nigeria. Let's add another one from UK down to Nigeria. So that is UK to Nigeria. Now we've created 2 shipping routes. The next thing we have to do is to now add the shipping types. Very important, because you can see right now we have our shipping type displaying over here, but they are just empty with the shipping type. So we have to add the shipping types, and to do that we choose the route. So the 2 routes we have created now is here on our route list. So we choose China to Nigeria, and then we'll add the shipping type. So if it's express shipping, we enter express shipping. The number of days, say it is 3 to 7 days, we enter it. The weight that is starting from 0.01 up to, say it is 5.00, and we are charging, say, $18 per kg. So we'll specify that here, and then we click on submit. So having specified this, you can see that this has been added right here under this particular shipping type. If you also want to add another one under United Kingdom, we can still simply come and choose United Kingdom and do the same thing. And then if it is express or normal, whatever it is that we are doing over there, we simply add it. So this is supposed to be the days, so it is maybe 4 now to 8 days in this particular aspect. You add it as well. So the weight from 0.001 012, say it is same 5.00, and the price you are charging here in this case is $21 per kg. You add it, and you see this, your route and shipping types have been added. So it is all active. At any point you can turn any of them to be inactive, and it has been deactivated. You can also activate any point you want, and it's back up showing green. You can also edit it at any point in time. Maybe it's no longer 3 to 7 days, it has extended to 3 to 8 days here. You can simply do that, and you update, and it is updated accordingly here. If the price has changed and then you have topped it up from 18 to, say, $20, you can simply change it to $20 at this point in time. And if you can see the price has been updated, if you want to also add more here, you can simply add more of it. Say when you have from 5.01 kg up to, say, 20 kg, you are charging is going to be $17 per kg. You simply add it here, and when you look at that, it is added. You can add as many as possible. Okay, after this particular setup, the next thing that is very important you need to do is the exchange rate. You come to the exchange rate and you enter the currencies that you accept. You accept dollars, so $1 is also equal to $1. Then you add that. You accept euro, currently 86 cents is equal to 1 euro, so you enter 86 cents and you choose euro. Then currently, if you also of course you work in China, so you enter the equivalent. 6.39 yuan is equivalent to $1. You enter that. So having added all of this, at any point if there is any change, you can click on edit and say maybe right now it is now 6.50. You can update that, and it is updated accordingly. Now the last important thing you need to set up is your branches. You add your branches. Now the branches are Nigeria, so we choose the country, the city it is in Lagos, and then you enter the phone number. So whatever be your phone number, then you enter your email, whatever be the email, and then the address of where it is, number 2 airport road, whatever this address, you enter it and you save. You then see that it is added. You can edit it at any point and do whatever you wish, and you can add as many branches as you want. You can add as many countries as you want, and from just one agent account, which is a free account, you can operate in as many countries as possible in the world. You don't have to pay any extra charge. All you just have to do is to keep doing your business, and at any single order you place, you just limit 10 cents to us, even if the order is worth $20,000. If the order is worth $100,000, $1,000, all we just charge is 10 cents per order you place. So this is where we close the curtain for this particular one. Okay, one more thing I want to add here is you can also add users, administrative users. So to add a new user, let's say I'm adding Lucia with an email of, say, lucia@gmail.com. So it has two roles. It is an admin or a spa admin. A spa admin can do these settings I'm doing right now, but an admin is not supposed to be able to do that. So just leave Lucia, who is just an administrator, to be an admin here, and you add Lucia. Now this email address is already taken, so sorry, I already have someone who is using this Lucia, so I'll just add an S here, Lucia's, and here you can see that it has been created. Now we are told from that notification that the default password for this account of Lucia is the same as this email. So for Lucia to log in, Lucia have to use his or her email and then enter the email as the password initially, after which he or she can now go to profile and change the password. After entering the current password, changes the password. Okay, so after that, he or she can log in comfortably. So this is how you can configure and set up your admin dashboard as an agent on Importers Desk, absolutely free. This system is very smart, and all you just have to do is enjoy it and carry out a smart and seamless business with good user experience. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video demo.